Come test drive the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.